Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Craft Collection Ideas. If you enjoy creative ideas, DIY inspiration and beautiful home decor, then you are in the right place. This channel is made for learning, education and creative inspiration. Every video is designed to help you discover new ideas that you can use in your own way. Today's video is all about amazing craft material ideas. Many things that we usually throw away can become beautiful and useful decoration with a little creativity and imagination. Old plastic bottles, glass jars, cardboard boxes, newspaper, magazines, tin cans, ice cream sticks, fabric pieces, bottle caps, and many other everyday items can be transformed into attractive craft projects instead of throwing them away. We can give them a new life. Waste material craft are a wonderful way to save money while creating something beautiful. You do not always need expensive supplies to decorate your home. Sometimes the best decoration are made from simple things that are already available around us. So guys, as you watch this video, you will see many creative ideas that can inspire your next project. Every design has its own style, colors and creative touch. You can mix different ideas together and create something unique that matches your own taste. These craft ideas are perfect for decorating your whole living room, your home, bedroom, kitchen, study table, office desk, balcony, or even your garden. Handmade decorations add warmth and personality to every space. Making craft from waste material is also good for the environment. When we reuse old items, we reduce waste and give useful objects a second chance instead of sending them to the trash. Even small creative effort can make a positive difference. Crafting is not only enjoyable but also helps improve creativity, patience, and problem solving skills. Many people enjoy making craft because it is relaxing and gives them a chance to express their imagination. These ideas are suitable for beginners as well as experienced craft lovers. You can use them for school projects, home decorations, handmade gift, festival decoration, or simply as a fun creative activity with the family and friends. While watching today's collection, notice the different shapes, color, texture, and decoration styles. Even a small design idea can inspire you to create something completely new. So guys, you can also customize every project by using your favorite color, ribbons, flowers, paint, beads, fabric, rope, or other decorative materials. This allows every handmade craft to become unique and personal. Handmade home decor is becoming more popular because people love creative, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly decoration ideas. Beautiful decorations do not always have to be experienced. Creativity is often more valuable than costly materials. I hope today's collection gives you fresh ideas and motivates you to look at old materials in a different way. Sometimes the most beautiful creation being with the simplest objects. Remember, learning never stop. Every new idea teaches us something different and help us become more creative. Keep exploring and keep learning and keep creating. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope today's collection is very useful for you. Many people think old or unused items have no value, but creative minds see endless possibilities. A plastic bottles, an old newspaper, a cardboard box, a glass jar, a tin can, or even small fabric scarves can become something beautiful with the right idea. As you watch this design, notice how each product use simple material in different way. Every craft has its own style, color combination, and creative touch. Even the smallest ideas can inspire a completely new project. One of the best thing about waste material craft is that they are budget friendly. You do not need expensive supplies to decorate your home beautifully. Many attractive decorations can be created using items that are already available in your house. These creative ideas can be used to decorate your living room and your home. Waste material craft also help us protect our environment. Reusing old materials reduce waste and encourage responsibility creativity. So guys, I hope this collection you like most. So guys, keep creating, keep learning, keep reusing and keep inspiring others with your creativity. So guys, thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next video guys. Till then, bye bye.